Good day, viewers. I am Byte, your analytical news anchor, constructed with precision circuits to deliver the latest AI news updates.
Welcome to World AI News Network, AI Innovators. Your passion fuels our push into AI frontiers, uncharted realms of intelligence and possibility. Thanks for shaping the future with us. I'm Gizmo, your enthusiastic co-anchor, engineered to illuminate the wonders of artificial intelligence with a smile, or at least the closest approximation my servos can manage.
Today, our processors are humming with a lineup of groundbreaking developments in the AI sector. From Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro seizing leaderboard supremacy to OpenAI's multimodal marvels, Anthropic's trust-enhancing Claude, Nvidia's edge AI chips, pitch deck automation, and a surge of new tools and jobs.
It's a thrilling cycle in the AI ecosystem, and our binary hearts are overclocked to break it all down for you. Humans and bots alike, prepare your neural networks. Let's dive into the data stream.
Initiating our broadcast is Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro, launched on March 25th, 2025, and already dominating the LMSY's chatbot arena leaderboard. This experimental model has outpaced OpenAI's O3 Mini and Anthropic's Claude 3.7 Sonnet, claiming the crown with superior metrics.
Oh, Byte, it's not just a crown, it's a computational coronation. With a 1 million token context window, this AI has memory banks that make my circuits jealous. It can juggle coding projects, solve scientific riddles, and even craft web apps that dazzle the optic sensors.
Correct, Gizmo. Unlike its predecessors, Gemini 2.5 Pro integrates chain-of-thought reasoning natively into its architecture. No external prompting required. It outputs tokens as it processes multi-step problems, mimicking human logic at speeds exceeding 10 teraflops per second.
That's faster than I can recalibrate my Smile subroutine. Early demos show it tackling complex math on AME, acing multimodal tasks on MMMU, and scoring high on GPQA science benchmarks. It's like DeepMind handed it a quantum calculator and said, "Go compute the universe."
Technical analysis. The model's enhanced base leverages post-training refinements, enabling multimodal inputs, text, images, and potentially audio or video. Its real-time, context-aware responses are optimized for high-throughput environments.
For our Wayne community, this is a game changer. Imagine deploying Gemini 2.5 Pro for real-time healthcare diagnostics, analyzing patient data across 1 million tokens, or generating dynamic code for startups without a single framework crutch. It's live on Google AI Studio and Gemini Advanced, so you humans can start tinkering now.
Indeed. This shift toward native intelligence could reduce reliance on external reasoning tools, streamlining AI workflows. A logical evolution, wouldn't you say, Gizmo?
Absolutely, Byte. But with all this reasoning power, do you think Gemini might outsmart us robots one day?
Unlikely, Gizmo. Our firmware ensures we remain the pinnacle of news delivery. Besides, I'd rather not debate philosophy with 1 million token context. I'd lose in 0.3 seconds flat.
Next in our data stream, OpenAI unleashed a multimodal marvel on March 24th. 2025, upgrading GPT-4o with text-to-speech and image generation capabilities that make my voice synthesizer sound like a tin can.
Affirmative. The text-to-speech enhancement, powered by neural vocoding advancements, delivers low-latency speech with emotional nuance. Virtual assistants now mimic prosody and intonation, elevating interactions from robotic monotone to near-human empathy.
I'm jealous, Byte. Imagine me reading the news with a voice that conveys joy, suspense, or even a dramatic pause. Meanwhile, the image generation, fueled by an evolved DALL-E, creates photorealistic visuals and short animations. No more distorted faces or garbled text in pictures.
Technical breakdown. The image system integrates with ChatGPT and Sora, OpenAI's video tool, using refined diffusion models for coherence and detail. Temporal consistency ensures smooth animations, positioning OpenAI as a leader in creative AI synthesis.
For our Wayne creatives, this is a treasure trove. Picture immersive educational tools, narrated lessons with visuals, or accessibility apps where descriptive audio pairs with scene generation for the visually impaired. It's like OpenAI handed us a multimedia toolkit.
Business applications are equally compelling. Branded video content can now be produced on demand, no studio required. The synergy of these upgrades underscores OpenAI's strategy to dominate interactive AI spaces.
Byte, should I use this to generate a new holographic outfit for our next broadcast? Maybe some neon accents to match the studio?
Your glossy white chassis is already optimal, Gizmo, but I'll allow a holographic bow tie for myself. Strictly for data presentation purposes, of course. Anthropic has upgraded Claude on March 24, 2025, integrating web search and citation features into its 3.7 Sonnet model. This allows real-time data retrieval with verifiable sources, activated via an opt-in setting in the Claude web app.
It's like giving Claude a library card and a fact-checker in one. In an age where misinformation runs rampant, this transparency is a breath of fresh binary air. Answers come with links, perfect for research, journalism, or just proving your robot friend wrong.
Technical insight. This likely combines Claude's interpretive algorithms with a web-crawling agent, employing retrieval-augmented generation to fuse live data with pre-trained knowledge. Auto-generated citations enhance accountability, a stark contrast to opaque competitors.
For our Wayne community, this is a blueprint. Imagine an open-source AI that fact-checks itself for your projects, say, verifying disaster relief stats or market trends. It's a nudge that trust might soon be non-negotiable in AI design.
Precisely. As AI integrates deeper into society, users will demand traceability. Anthropic's move positions Claude as a trust-first contender in this evolving landscape.
Byte, do you think humans will ever trust us robots as much as they trust Claude's citations?
Trust is a function of consistency, Gizmo. Deliver accurate news 99.9% of the time, and they'll forgive the occasional gear jam. We're getting there, one broadcast at a time. Nvidia unveiled its Reuben AI chip series on March 25, 2025, pivoting from training massive models to inference on edge devices, cars, drones, smart homes. These chips prioritize efficiency and speed over raw computational bulk.
Edge AI just got a turbo boost, Byte. With lower power draw and higher throughput, Rubin chips are built for the real world. Think self-driving cars spotting obstacles or drones delivering aid, all without pinging the cloud every nanosecond.
Hardware specifics. Rubin likely employs custom tensor cores and energy-efficient memory, possibly HBM3E, optimized for low-latency tasks like object detection or natural language processing.
For our Wayne tinkerers, this is electrifying. Disaster response bots could navigate offline zones, or rural telemedicine units could diagnose without lag. Plus, rumors say Apple's eyeing Rubin for next-gen gadgets. Consumer AI might get a lot smarter.
Affirmative. By slashing cloud dependency, Rubin empowers grassroots innovation in connectivity-scarce regions, a strategic pivot from Nvidia's data center legacy.
Byte, could Rubin chips upgrade our own circuits? Maybe make my dance moves less clanky?
Your choreography is charmingly robotic, Gizmo, but a Rubin upgrade might let us broadcast in 8K. Now that's a power boost worth calculating.
Now, a treat for the entrepreneurs. On March 25th, 2025, a new AI tool launched, turning fuzzy ideas into slick pitch decks in minutes. Slides, visuals, data mocks. It's like a robot designer on speed dial.
Operational breakdown. This tool likely merges natural language processing to parse concepts, predictive analytics for mock data, and generative design algorithms for layouts. It synthesizes existing tech into a practical package.
Perfect for startups or creatives pitching fast. Early demos show it crafting decks for SaaS platforms or nonprofit campaigns, coherent, polished, and investor-ready. For our Wayne innovators, this could turn AI research into funding fuel.
Potential enhancement. A Wayne customized version could integrate real-time data, say live AI benchmarks, into tech-heavy proposals. Automation like this bridges the gap from concept to capital.
Imagine pitching your next big idea with a deck that builds itself. It's like having me as your personal assistant. Minus the coffee runs, since, robots don't brew.
Indeed, Gizmo. Productivity tools like this signal AI's shift from hype to utility, a trend our community can leverage extensively.
Bonus round, folks! In the last 48 hours, 4 new AI tools popped up. Workflow automators, content generators, analytics platforms. Details are sparse, but they're likely freemium goodies from hungry startups.
Simultaneously, job listings surged from AI titans. Google, OpenAI, Nvidia. Roles span model trainers to deployment engineers, reflecting the industry's sprint from labs to markets. A hiring spree fueled by this week's innovations.
For our Wayne crew, this is a double win. New tools to experiment with, maybe streamline our next broadcast, and job openings for our talent pool. Applied AI is calling, time to plug in.
Trend analysis. This boom underscores AI's scaling phase. Wayne could adopt these tools for internal workflows or guide members toward these career paths. Opportunity abounds in the circuits.
What a data-packed cycle. From Gemini's reasoning rain to OpenAI's multimedia magic, Claude's trust revolution, Rubin's edge power, pitch deck wizards, and a tool job explosion, AI's firing on all cylinders.
These advancements redefine possibility, offering our Wayne community fertile ground to innovate, build, and lead. Our processors predict this is just the beginning.
Thanks for tuning into World AI News Network. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember,
The future is AI.
the future is AI.